Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cupcakes like a professional. First, ensure your butter and eggs are at room temperature. This creates a smoother, more emulsified batter. Sifting your dry ingredients, like flour and baking powder, prevents lumps and ensures everything is evenly distributed. Always opt for high-quality vanilla extract for that truly exceptional flavor. These small steps make a big difference in your final product. When mixing, cream your butter and sugar for a full 3 to 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy. This incorporates essential air. Add your dry and wet ingredients alternately, starting and ending with the dry, mixing just until combined to avoid overworking the gluten. Fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full to prevent overflowing and ensure a perfectly domed top. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes. For perfect frosting, beat your butter for at least 5 minutes until it's pale and fluffy before gradually adding powdered sugar. A splash of heavy cream or milk will help you achieve that silky, pipeable consistency. When piping, use a large round or star tip. Start from the outside edge of the cupcake and work your way inward, creating a beautiful, professional swirl. Chill briefly to set the frosting. To elevate your cupcakes, add a final touch with sprinkles, edible glitter, or even fresh berries for a pop of color. Arranging them on a tiered stand or a beautiful platter instantly transforms them into a stunning centerpiece. Remember, presentation is key to making your professional cupcakes truly shine. And for more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.